Allocated each end of the cabin and smoking is not permitted at any time. This does include the use of e-cigarettes. Any passengers today travelling on a non-European passport will need to complete a landing card present with your passport at immigration. If you do require one, then please do not hesitate to stop by for a cabin crew and just shortly pass through the cabin. Cabin crew will commence a restore service and offer you a great selection of sandwiches inspired by European destinations. Also have a range of drinks and snacks from award-winning brands including Clipper Tea, Segafredo Coffee, Coca-Cola, locally sourced and cooked nuts by Corkers. Savings can be made on today's flight by finding any sandwich, snack and a soft drink for just £7 or from €9. In addition, we do have a fully stocked bar including beers, wine, spirits and of course soft drinks. Later on today's flight we will give you the opportunity to purchase some tax-free shopping and pick up out of your seat. Exclusive to you today as an EasyJet customer, we do have an additional 20% off. So the price is marked in the routine brochure located at your seat pocket. We take payment in credit, debit card and oyster charge. And paid by cash with pound channels and most major currencies. However, the correct change of card is very much appreciated wherever possible. I would ask you to stand back, relax and enjoy this flight with us this morning.